Hey there, money movers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down financial tasks to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to transfer money from Chase to Bank of America in 2025. Whether you're switching banks, paying bills, or just managing your finances, this step-by-step guide will have you transferring funds smoothly and securely. Let's jump right in. First things first, why do this in 2025? With advancements in banking tech, transfers are faster and more secure than ever, but the basics remain straightforward. Start by logging into your Chase online banking account or mobile app. If you haven't already, download the latest Chase app for 2025 updates, which might include biometric security features. Once you're in, navigate to the Transfer or Move Money section. It's usually front and center on the dashboard. Here, you'll need to add Bank of America as a recipient if it's not already linked. Double-check your Bank of America account details, like the routing and account numbers, to avoid any delays. Pro tip: use the External Transfers option for seamless connections. Next, enter the amount you want to transfer and select the date for the transaction. Chase might offer options for same-day transfers in 2025, depending on your account type, but remember to check for any fees. Typically around $3 to $15 per transfer. Confirm all the details and hit send. You'll get a confirmation email or notification almost instantly. Now, a few tips to make this process even smoother. Always use a secure Wi-Fi connection to protect your info, and verify your bank's transfer limits. Chase often caps external transfers at $25,000 per day. If you're dealing with large amounts, consider a wire transfer for guaranteed delivery, though it might cost more. And there you have it. That's how you transfer money from Chase to Bank of America in 2025. It's quick, easy, and empowers you to manage your money like a pro. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.